So the Elephant Conservation Center launched the breeding program in 2011 because it was a very urgent need to increase the number of elephants in Laos, since there are more elephants that die than born per year. Then the situation becomes very critical since we have an old population in Laos and it was not sustainable anymore. So for that reason we put a lot of effort to establish the breeding program here in order to try to improve this situation and hopefully increase the number of elephants in the country.